Locked out AD user, don't panic. Here's how to fix it in under 15 seconds. I'm on my domain controller. I will open up PowerShell as administrator. So I'm not going to waste time with GUI. Right click on start and click on terminal admin. I'm going to type this one-liner, Unlock-ADAccount -identity, jsmith is the username. There you go, account is unlocked. And if you want to reset the password as well, you can type Set-ADAccountPassword -identity, jsmith -reset -NewPassword. And within bracket, I'm going to type the password with ConvertTo-SecureString. And I'll specify the password as AsPlainText -Force and close the bracket. Press enter. And optionally, if you want to enable the account, you can type Enable-ADAccount -identity and the name of the user account, which is jsmith. Press enter. All right, user account unlocked, password reset and re-enabled, all in less than a minute. Like and subscribe for more AD admin tips and tricks.